Is, was, will be. Is, present. Was, past. Will be, future. Your car is, was, will be ready now. Now, present is. Your car is ready now. Your car is ready now. It is, was, will be not ready yesterday. Yesterday. Past, was. It was not ready yesterday. It was not ready yesterday. It is, was, will be here tomorrow. Tomorrow. Future. Will be. It will be here tomorrow. It will be here tomorrow. Frank is, was, will be home tonight. Tonight. Present is. Frank is home tonight. He is, was, will be at work last night. Last night. Last. Past. Was. He was at work last night. He was at work last night. He is, was, will be home tomorrow. Tomorrow. Future. Will be. He will be home tomorrow. He will be home tomorrow. Amy is, was, will be busy 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Ago. Past, was. Amy was busy 2 weeks ago. She is, was, will be busy next week. Next week. Next. Future. Will be. She will be busy next week. She is, was, will be not busy this week. This week. This. Present is. She is. She is. She is not busy this week. The rent is, was, will be high now. Now. Present is. The rent is. The rent is. The rent is high now. It is, was, will be not high last year. Last. Last year. Past. Was. It was not high last year. The last one is for you. It is, was, will be low next year. Next. Next. Present, past, or future? Tell me in the comments. Thank you. Do you need help with your English? If you need help, I create individual video lessons just for you. Your personal English lesson includes Up to 5 personalized corrections, clear explanations on natural examples, a custom grammar or vocabulary exercise with real-life examples, a listen and repeat audio drill, and a feedback on your improved second version. The communication is via email or WhatsApp. You can order your personal video lesson by sending an email to info@englishwithalina.com or click the link in the bio. Thank you!